So we've just stopped to put on the snow chains because we're about to go much higher, Salon, and we're probably going to go up there, I think. So we're definitely going to need snow tires. How's the journey going?
It's going well, yeah.
Very good.
Look at the snow.
These guys have the best seat in the house.
Well deserved, I think.
Well deserved. So we've driven up as far as we can. There he goes. What a driver. What a driver. It's been a pleasure knowing you. We've had to get out of the cars because of the weight so that he can drive up, and we're just gonna walk the rest of the way to the village. Jake's doing some filming in the snow. Just doing some polite waiting as we all try to figure out where we're going and what we're doing. We've just left the 4x4 behind because they can't make it up into the village, what with all the snow and ice. So now we're carrying all our gear and we're gonna go and see and hear some more amazing stories. In fact, you can see, there he is, that's Jake behind me, setting up a shot to get into the village.
We're proper explorers now. Woo! Left the car down there. Oh, it's bright. You put some sunglasses on. Left the car down there. Now I need to get all the way up the hill. Tripod and camera and everything. Let's go.
Look at this, traipsing down the mountainside, trying to go and find the house where we're gonna have some lunch after a very productive morning's filming. Look at that. Just finished our lunch of spaghetti and naan. You can never have too many carbs. Actually, I could have polished off an entire plate of spaghetti just for myself. It's been really good. Morning and afternoon, just hearing the story of a family where they lost 11 children. And finally, when they got the correct kind of teaching from the charity we're working with here, they finally had a little girl. So they were obviously very proud and very happy and very grateful and very keen to tell their story as well.